Customer support is now the proving ground for agent architecture. Salesforce reports AI will handle half of service cases soon. That's up from 30% today. The CCA answer isn't just adding a chatbot, it's designing a Claude system that can reason and retrieve. It must act, refuse, escalate, and prove every decision. All decisions must be audit ready. Salesforce, most support bots fail because they treat tickets as text. They don't see the ticket as a live operational object. A real case involves identity, entitlements, and orders. It includes billing, product telemetry, and policy. It also covers tone and legal risk. Zendesk reports 85% of CX leaders say customers may drop brands. This can happen even on first contact. Zendesk CX Trends 2026. Legacy automation relies on keywords. It fails when customers ask multi-step questions. Agents copy data between systems manually. They check policies by hand under pressure. They improvise solutions in real time. The core issue is missing orchestration. The model understands language. The business depends on state. No system safely bridges the two. No layer translates between them clearly. A Claude-powered support agent is a control plane, not a personality. Claude interprets user intent with precision. It selects the next action based on context. Approved tools are called only when needed. It reads only scoped, relevant context. Responses are grounded in factual data. The breakthrough is bounded autonomy, enough freedom to solve complex tasks, enough structure to prevent harmful outcomes, enough transparency to build user trust. The system starts with a messages API request. It includes customer identity, channel metadata, and conversation history. Claude receives compact instructions and tool schemas. It also gets retrieved policy snippets and safety boundaries. Anthropic's tool use pattern lets Claude choose tools from descriptions. Your application then executes client-side functions. Results are returned into the agentic loop. Claude continues the process. A strong CCA design separates 5 key responsibilities. Intent classification handles user goals and requests. Context retrieval finds relevant information from external sources. Tool execution runs verified capabilities like CRM or billing systems. Policy enforcement ensures compliance and security rules are followed. Response generation creates clear, accurate answers for users. CRM, help center search, order systems, billing, and audit logs stay outside the model. Claude never owns the database directly. Claude controls the reasoning loop instead. It decides which verified capability to run next and determines when to stop the process. The ticket enters through chat, email, or voice transcript. The router detects language, urgency, account status, and risk. Claude summarizes the issue and retrieves policy. It requests missing fields and checks CRM state. Claude calls tools and drafts a resolution. It attaches evidence to the response. Low-risk actions complete automatically. Refunds, account changes, legal complaints, and ambiguous identity require approval. Approval is required before execution. The safety layer is not just a disclaimer at the end. It is a runtime policy enforced during execution. Tool permissions should follow the least privilege principle. Personal identifiable information must be minimized. Secrets should never enter any prompts. Tool outputs must be treated as untrusted input. Anthropic recommends validation and confirmation gates. Monitoring helps detect unsafe behavior early. Guardrails should be strengthened iteratively. This includes protection against prompt injection attacks. The mock exam demands proof, not feelings. Build a golden dataset of real ticket types. Include refund, outage, angry customer, and duplicate charge cases. Add account takeover, missing order, and prompt injection examples. Score exact tool selection and response grounding. Check policy compliance and escalation quality. measure latency, cost, and customer tone. Regression tests detect silent degradation early. Escalation should feel like continuity, not defeat. When the agent hands off, it passes a structured case summary. It includes customer history and evidence used. It lists attempted tools and the confidence score. It states the policy reason clearly. It recommends the next action. The human starts at decision quality, not discovery. That is how automation increases trust, not by hiding risk, but by making it visible. Architecture changes support economics. Simple work becomes instant and seamless. Complex work gets better preparation and planning. Risky work gains more control and oversight. Salesforce reports 82% of service professionals see rising customer demands. 81% say personal touch expectations are higher than ever. Speed now must feel human and authentic. Win by explaining trade offs in the mock exam. Choose Claude for reasoning with messy customer intent. Use tools for authoritative state. Use retrieval for grounded policy. Involve humans for irreversible risk. Use evaluations for production confidence. The final answer is not a diagram, it is an operating model. Every response is traceable. Every action is permissioned. Every improvement is measurable.